One look at the ASUS ROG phone and you'll know it's all about gaming. Right from the design, it's bold and quite aggressive. Look at it. For a start, there is 3D Gorilla Glass 5 at the back, which is edged with lines and a very visible copper heatsink. And honestly, the sharp corners of everything right there, it looks cutting edge. Of course, even more interesting is that ROG logo in the middle with fully controllable RGB lighting. Can a phone get more unique than this these days? With these looks, the ROG phone fits right in with your gaming setup. Yeah, so this is not for anyone who values subtlety. It's for gamers and gamers who like to stay on top. So how does ASUS achieve this? This is our hands-on impressions. Let's find out. Of course, gaming doesn't stop with design. With a 90Hz AMOLED panel, the display is also one of the best in the market. The higher refresh rate, if you're a gamer, you already know this, it means that you'll get much lesser blur around fast-moving objects. The display does look great, and within the controlled settings, we could see that the viewing angles, contrast levels and black levels were absolutely fantastic as you would expect from an AMOLED panel. Another feature that really stood out for us was the air triggers. ASUS has nailed the haptic feedback on these ultrasonic buttons, and it almost simulates physical feedback. Once you've got these set up, you'll definitely have an upper hand in shooters and even racing games. In terms of performance, the ROG phone uses a speed-bend Snapdragon 845. This is the highest class of that chipset that can deliver the topmost levels of performance. It runs at 2.93 to 2.96 GHz. Paired with 8GB of RAM, you're guaranteed screaming fast performance. To compensate for the increased heat levels because of this, the phone has obviously a 3D vapor chamber that you can see at the back, a copper heat spreader inside and more. And if you thought the vapor chamber was not enough, a plug-in fan ships with the phone that further brings down the temperature. Just like in a PC, you can control the fan speed with a control center app from ASUS. Just imagine this. So a big draw for the ROG phone is the robust accessory ecosystem that ASUS has developed around it. The fan is one of it. Another one, a really interesting one, is this, the Twin View dock. It lets you extend the UI in supported games while also allowing you to run two apps or games simultaneously. You could have Twitch or YouTube running in the upper display while gaming on the lower screen. And the Pro dock. This is a Pro dock that lets you play games with a keyboard and mouse and project on a bigger screen. But instead of a DeX-like mode which Samsung provides, this phone just simply mirrors the display. But aside that, this is a definitely useful dock. All these accessories fit into the phone via the unique USB-C dock. This is a dual USB port that sits on the side of the phone. So as you can see, gaming is the only focus here. ASUS has done a lot of small things to make you the best mobile gamer out there. This could be really small things in software like a gaming mode enabled by a squeeze, or really gaming focused hardware like the use of air triggers that gives you more control in games like PUBG, or big things like the many accessories that surround and augment the phone's gaming experience to make sure again that your gaming experience or the gaming cred is higher. By creating a gaming phone that looks and feels the part, ASUS has a device that will truly be appreciated, but only by a small niche. Our first impressions were quite positive, but let's be real. The device is priced at Rs 69,990, so the ASUS ROG phone is going to be a tough sell. But for gamers though, there isn't anything out there that is as feature-packed as this one. So yeah, that's about it for our hands-on impressions. If you liked this video, share it with your gamer friends and don't forget to let us know what you think in the comment section below. Leave a like, leave a subscribe and hit that bell button. Thanks for watching. See you later in the next one.